Hey everybody, so today I'm back with another styling video. I'm going to be showing you guys some new pieces that I just brought into my wardrobe and how I style them, how I put outfits together, all that good stuff. But before I get into that, I have to really quick hit the pause button and tell you guys about something that you might not know about. So this portion of this video is sponsored by Google, and Google has a free video-based digital literacy curriculum called Applied Digital Skills that I was actually just made aware of when Google approached me to promote it. So a lot of you guys may be like me who had never heard of it, but it's really cool because it helps provide learners of all ages with the digital skills necessary for school, work, life, all types of stuff. It has over 140 project-based lessons that you can filter by audience, digital tool, or topic, and each lesson has a series of easy to follow videos that teach practical digital skills using Google Workspace tools like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So it's a great tool to use to strengthen your digital skills, especially in this day and age, because it just seems like everything is moving towards digital, or it's already there, or it has some type of digital component. And the good thing about this is that there's no tech experience required. So if you're not particularly computer savvy, you don't have to worry about that at all. And whether you're a teacher, whether you're a student, a learner, a parent, guardian, there's something for everyone. For me, I signed in and took a few lessons, and it was super easy to navigate. One of them that was extremely helpful to me is the track due dates and tasks in Gmail. This really helped me to utilize the features in Gmail because I use Gmail every day. I check it all the time, and there are a lot of features in Gmail that I wasn't aware of, that I wasn't utilizing, and so that just really helped me to make better use of something that I'm already using. Another one that I found to be really good for my situation is the track your monthly expenses lesson. So that one is awesome for analyzing your spending, making sure you're staying on track with your long-term goals, correcting any spending trends you may notice that don't align with your long-term goals, because sometimes we can all get off track and mindlessly spend. Those of you that are entrepreneurial, you want to start a business and you don't know how to start, they even have a lesson on how to write a business plan. So you guys definitely check it out. It is absolutely free. Click the link below in my description box to learn more about Applied Digital Skills from Google. Sign in to create an account and start learning today. So thanks to Google for sponsoring that part of my video, and now back to my regular content. Alright guys, so I did some online shopping and I got some pieces from Zara and ASOS. All of these I feel are good staple pieces to have. They are things that I see myself wearing over and over and styling them in different ways. I get questions on how I put together my outfits. A lot of you like, how do you think to put that together? How do you know how to combine things that look, you know, nice? So when I style each piece, I'm gonna talk you guys through my thought process of putting my complete outfit together and how that all kind of works in my mind, if that makes sense. I'm gonna start with the items I got from ASOS, and these are all pretty affordable pieces. I don't believe I got anything that was over $75. So, you know, you don't have to spend a lot to look put together, chic, fashionable, all that. You really don't have to break the bank. So I got this jacket. This is in a US size 2. This is actually my second time buying this because the first time I got it, I got it in a 6, I believe. I wanted it to fit oversized, but I didn't realize it was already so oversized, and I was like drowning in the jacket, so I had to send it back and get a size 2, and I think this one fits a lot better. What drew me to this initially was the scuba material. I really like the material. It's kind of different than, you know, all the jackets you see all the time. This smoke gray color, it's a very good neutral, very easy to pair with a bunch of different looks. Also got a jacket with a little more flair, a little more of a statement piece, if you will, and it's this bomber jacket right here. This I got in a US size 4. It depends on the look I'm going for, but I think right now I'm really into oversized jackets because I can put whatever I want on underneath and I don't feel so restricted, you know, putting on like a fitted jacket. I don't know exactly what print this is, but you know, but I like the color. I like the contrast on it. I liked the quilting on it. When I saw it on the site, it just looked like something that I could mix and match with and just have for a casual day. My next piece is this off the shoulder princess cut corset top, and I'm just a sucker for off the shoulder tops. I love the look of them, just pairing them with jeans, pairing them with skirts, pairing them with shorts, you can really not go wrong with them. This one, I really appreciated the details on it. And the back is just straight across, but in the front it comes down like this. And I just like that. It kind of just draws everything in at the waist, makes you look a little more slender. And it has like this rigid corset bodice. And then for the sleeves, they have this little thing right here. So it just kind of comes down ever so delicately on each side of your arms. And I just knew I had to get this. I knew that I would be wearing this a ton. So for my next piece, for those of you that have been keeping up with my fashion, then you already know I love snake print. It's my favorite print for clothing, shoes, accessories. I have like a million snake print shoes. Not a million, maybe like 10, something like that. I really like snake prints, and I think it's like a neutral to me because you can just throw it on with everything and it looks amazing. So I got this blazer, and I actually I actually only have 2 blazers right now. I have a black one and a white one, and I felt like I needed something with a little more pizzazz. I needed something that was a little more spunky, something I could put on and zhuzh up an outfit. This snake print one and this colorway is just superb. But aside from the print and the color, I especially love that it had shoulder pads in it because it just makes your top part look a little more broad, strong, like and it's not thick, it's not rigid, so it'll be comfortable to move around in and to wear and to layer on top of things, even like sweaters and stuff. So that's all I got from ASOS. And then from Zara, I have 3 items. First, I bought these jeans, and I was just browsing and I came across these, and I was like, I don't have any jeans like that. I don't have any wide leg jeans that go all the way down. I have 1 pair. If you guys saw my recent closet clear out, then you saw that. But I have 1 pair of wide leg jeans, but they're cropped, so they come up like this, and it's a totally different vibe, totally different style. And these are high-waisted as well, and I was like, oh, it's meant to be. I have to get them. So I got these in a size 4, but I'm only 5'2", and they sweep the floor. I have to wear these with heels in order to not have my jeans dragging at the bottom, but that's exactly what I was looking for anyway. Just some really dope wide leg jeans in a great wash. They have some distressing on here, little busted knee action, raw edge hem at the bottom, and I just thought these were so cool for an elevated casual look. And then I just got 2 sweaters. So first I got this brown cropped sweatshirt. It has a hood. It doesn't have any strings coming from the hood, but what I liked about it was the fact that the bottom of the sweatshirt, it had this elastic, so you can like hike it up and make it even more cropped and shorter. And I'm really into the sweatshirt look because they're just so easy to throw on, put on some jeans or whatever bottoms, and hit the door. The last piece I have is this oversized sleeveless sweater. With this, what I really like is the overall look of it. So the sleeves on here has this ribbing right here. It's like, it's sleeveless, but then it's not, because it has a little something right here. So maybe it's short sleeved. I don't know what they have this classified as. And again, this color is great for mixing and matching. It's just great for just when I'm having one of my comfy days, my casual days. I don't want to do too much, don't want to be too fussy. So yeah, those are all my pieces. And now let's go ahead and jump into how I styled them. Brown cropped sweater. So a really easy way to dress up a sweatshirt and make it more feminine is to pair it with a skirt. So right here I have a midi skirt. It's faux leather. I like that it has the split, so it shows a little skin, and it really just offsets the dimensions of the cropped sweater. So the sweater hits here, going with a longer skirt to balance things out. Went with a light bottom so that the brown would just be its own thing, then the skirt will be its own thing, so it's like color blocking in a sense. And then also I have on some heels to make it even more feminine, and these are in a snake print, so that's really good to add in a pop of print. And then with the bag, the detailing, it's really all in the details with putting together an outfit that just looks a little bit more interesting. So with this bag, it has this fringe on each side, which is really great, adds movement as well. And with this quilted material, so you get a different type of texture from the smooth faux leather and the, you know, basic cotton sweatshirt. A big bag just makes you look kind of glamorous, of course, with the shades. And it's a pretty simple outfit. Nothing too major, but I still think I look very chic, and I definitely have elevated just a basic sweatshirt. Alright, so this sweatshirt, like I mentioned, is super relaxed, oversized. For this, to wear it on its own, I wouldn't necessarily just wear it like this because it kind of looks like a dress. So what I would do to give it a little more shape and just make it look more put together, I would take the front, do a tuck like that, let the sides kind of cascade down. Very simple with some skinny jeans, so you get a little fullness at the top, and then at the bottom it's nice and sleek. For this you could wear boots, booties, sneakers if you want, but I went with a simple heel just to give me some elevation and make me look a little more girly. Very easy look to pull off, and like I said, I love the sleeves. I love how they kind of go out like bat wings. Everything about it is just so cool. And then this jacket goes great with this. All I have to do is put it on, and you get your layering action like this. Let me fix my tuck so you can just see how interchangeable nice basics like this are, and you can just mix and match your whole look. Now this jacket, I wouldn't say necessarily matches with black, but sometimes you really don't have to match. It just has to work. So you don't want to overthink the colors when you're getting dressed. As long as it looks pleasing to your eye, go with it. And I just love piling things on top of each other, layering, because it just makes your outfit look multi-dimensional and like you actually know how to dress and put things together. So it just demonstrates and illustrates your creativity when dressing yourself. Another way to rock this sweatshirt is by pairing it with a skirt, but this is actually a skirt. To me, this is more of a springy type of look, more spring, maybe early summer if it's not too hot where you are, you know, showing a lot of leg. And then I have this bag which ties in with the sweatshirt color. So I just love how the sweatshirt gives this look a whole different vibe as opposed to if I were to wear something a little more dressy. Keeps it more fun and lighthearted, but I still look ultra chic. And as far as dimensions are concerned, when I'm wearing something that's oversized, I usually like to pair it with something that's fitted. So for this mini skirt, well, mini skirt, it's definitely fitted, and that plays nicely with the more voluminous sweatshirt. And the booties, they're very simple, just basic, bring the length up. I felt like it was good to pair it with such a short skirt because it kind of just gives me a little more something at the bottom. If I were to wear like a shoe that was flat, I don't think it would look as nice. Went ahead and switched bags so I don't have competing prints, and I can put on now this jacket on top of this as well. So interchangeable outfits is the goal. I just love how seamlessly I can bring things in, take things out, put different pieces together, and this definitely still works. For my snake print blazer, because this is such a statement piece, I have just basics on right now. So my foundation are my dark gray skinny jeans, high-waisted. These I wear all the time. These are my go-to jeans. They're so comfortable and they go with almost anything. And then I have this strong shoulder tee, sleeveless, and bring a little more excitement to what I have on. I always like to kind of scrunch up my sleeves on blazers. I think it just looks the best. And then have my back here. Again, front tuck in the front. That's like my thing. I really love the front tuck. I think it looks fabulous. Not doing too much at the bottom, but still getting that elongation and femininity. Blazers always make you look smart as well. Like they make you look intelligent, so I like that about it. But with the print on it, it's also playful. So it makes you look like you're smart, but you also have a fun side to you. And just popping this over any type of neutral outfit will work. Okay, so I have another look using the same foundation, and this just shows why it's important to have some really good basics, some good staples in your wardrobe, because as you can see, I can create so many outfits using the same, pretty much the same base. So I would recommend getting a good go-to t-shirt or a couple t-shirts that you really like, and some jeans in a dark wash. Black, or like these are, they're almost black, they're dark gray. So for the shoes for this look, I'm gonna go with combat boots with a heel, of course. I like height. So going a little bit more edgy for the footwear. And then I have my jacket in scuba material, my new jacket. Put that on. That's it. Draped over my shoulders for an even cooler type of vibe. Neutral color palette outfits. They really do say chic. They really do say sophisticated. And I think this jacket color is perfect for spring because it's so light. It doesn't make you look or feel hot. It's just really good if it's like a chilly night or maybe super breezy. Has a nice weight to it, not too heavy, not too light. For my off the shoulder corset top, I was really feeling summertime cabana vibes, so that's the look I was going for. Paired it with this tropical looking midi skirt with a slit, shoulder leg, this wooden handbag that was really popular like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. I still kept mine, and I just like the earthy natural tone that it gives to this. Got some clear heels, and I always recommend for those of you that like heels to get a pair of clear heels if you don't have them, because if you're stumped on what type of shoe to wear with an outfit, or if you have your outfit all ready to go but you don't want a really busy shoe, a clear heel will work because they match with everything. They don't take away the focus from your outfit, and they just really look super cool because they show off, you know, you have your toes down and all that. And like I said, I love the flounciness on the shoulder. I think it just looks so sweet. Got my yellowish orange shades to pick up the colors in the skirt, so it just brings it full circle. I'm just like vacation ready right now. I want to go on vacation in this outfit. Feel like I want to go dancing, want to go get some drinks, want to go just hang out in the sun. And then here is the top with a pair of jeans. Everything else is the same. I just swapped out the skirt, and you can see just how different the whole look is just by changing out one piece. So this was an easy swap to my dark denim skinny jeans. This I feel is more of a going to the mall, going to lunch, going out, hanging out with your friends type of look, but you know, you still want to look super cute and be comfortable as well. These heels I like because the height, I want to say they're like 3 inches, so they're not very high, and they don't have like straps to go around your ankle, so they don't feel restrictive either. Kind of just slide your foot in, so I really like these shoes, and easy to walk in. And with this look, you can see even more of the detailing that I was talking about with this little, kind of like a V, this cut that comes down in the front. For these wide leg jeans, I just kept it ultra simple and paired it with a fitted crop top. Since they are flared and they have the volume at the bottom, I thought it would be great to keep it smaller up top so you don't have too much going on. I really wanted the focus to be on the jeans. Just pairing it with this black top is so easy. Black goes with everything. Also went with this pretty large Moto bag because I thought this was kind of a edgier type of look, and the bag would complement that. My shoes you can barely see under the jeans. They peek a little bit, so I just threw on some heels that were high enough so that the jeans would clear the floor. Again, really simple, very classy, very stylish. I'm just really into these pants, y'all. I'm shocked at how good they look on me because I have been interested in getting some wide leg pants for the longest time that I could wear, you know, pretty frequently, that were denim, and I never could come across any that spoke to me, but these I am obsessed with. I love the busted knees, gives it more spunk. And then if you want to layer this look, ultra easy. So I have a Moto jacket here, throw it right over my shoulders, bing bang boom. I'm just loving this look right now. And then you could also go with a blazer, simple and black. Again, I like to scrunch my sleeves up. And this look I feel just gives more elongation with the longer line on the blazer. It's just even more chic, even more put together. So just play around with length, see what works for your body, what you like. For me, with high-waisted pants, I really like having a crop top because it just gives that separation right here, kind of breaks things up, which to me, I like. It's appealing to, you know, my senses. Alright guys, so that is basically it. I hope this was helpful. I will have the details for all the outfits I just wore in the description box. So if you're wondering where I got a certain piece, check down there. I'll also put links to all the things that I can find that are still available. So yeah, thanks so much guys for watching as always, and I'll catch up with you on my next video. Bye.